RMD Engineering College, RMK Group of Educational Institutions. It is accredited by NBA, NAAC, and NIRF is ranked between 151 to 200 in 2018. And the college has acquired Aspiring Minds National Employability Award for 2008 and 2020 batches. It has bagged 10 gold medals since 2005, 572 university ranks, and 94% graduates since 2005. And it has 88% placement record from 2016 to 20, and 47 lakhs highest salary in Google. Ranked one among the top 10 engineering colleges in past 10 years. Rated on among the top 50 active SWAYAM NPTEL local chapters with AA rating, 360-degree structured training program, and the placement is 147 plus top companies, and rupees 9 lakhs is offered to 17 candidates, and rupees 4 to 9 lakhs for 20 candidates. And disclaimer, this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at RMD Engineering College are Information Technology, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering. The cutoff marks for this college for various castes are: for OC it is 186 to 193, for BCM it is 179 to 186, for BC it is 185 to 191, for MBC 178 to 188, and for SC it is 98 to 133. The facilities at RMD Engineering College are: the Central Library has 59,696 volume of books and 14,022 titles. The library subscribes to 66 national journals and 6 leading international e-journals and e-books database, 60 magazines and 10 newspapers, 1,691 back volume of journals, and 6,649 CD-ROMs. The books are classified and arranged according to Universal Decimal Classification Scheme. The library services are automated through the use of standard library software package named AutoLib 5.2 version. Circulation services are fully computerized and all documents are barcoded. Hostels have separate library, reading room, shuttle codes, and stores to facilitate the student. The hostel blocks also have landline phone with STD facility and free Wi-Fi connectivity. Food sample is periodically tested and monitored for its quality and hygiene as per FSSAI standards. The hostel is annexed with a kitchen to provide food in a protected and hygienic environment along with dining halls which can accommodate around more than 1,000 students at a time. Hospital. The college have a clinic with full-time doctor and dispensary with 2 beds. There are ambulance vans available for service. A medical shop is kept open till 9:30 p.m. A clinic with beds along with call doctor facility for 24 hours to take care of the health requirements of hostel students is available. Transport. The college has a fleet of 80 buses, 15 vans and cars to transport students and staff from Chennai to college and back. These buses operate along 8 routes starting from different points approximately between 6:30 a.m. and 6:45 a.m. Sports. The college encourages the talented ones to make sincere efforts to achieve their highest distinction in sports at zone, interzone, all India Inter University, TIES, invitational tournaments, state and national or international levels by providing them the best available inputs in terms of equipment, coaching, training, nutrition, kitting, funding, rewards with cash prize, etc. College encourages both indoor and outdoor sports. The placement statistics chart of RMD Engineering College is displayed on the screen. In 2012 to 2016, the number of students registered were 716. Students got placed 633. So the percentage is 88. From 2013 to 2017, 695 students registered, 596 got placed. So it is 85 percentage. And in 2014 to 2018, the number of students registered were 392 and students who got placed are 323. So 82 percentage. From 2015 to 2019, It was 388 students who has registered and 334 got placed, so 86 percentage. In 2016 to 2020 batch, number of students who are registered were 379, 319 got placed, so 84 percentage. The overall result comparison from 2013 to 2017 for RMD engineering colleges between 80 to 90 percentage. In 2013 it was 81 percentage. In 2014 it is 87 percentage. In 2015 it was 84 percentage. In 2016 it is 90 percentage. In 2017 it is 85 percentage. The college counseling code is 1112. The contact college at 044 6791 9191. Website is www.rmd.ac.in and college is located at RSM Nagar, Kavaraipetai, 601206, Gumudipundi Taluk, Tiruvallur district. Mail is rmdecp@gmail.com, rmd@rmd.ac.in.